we find it's very important to support the next generation of people doing this type of work. 3M are very keen to show their latest innovations and make sure that we can get these products and these new processes into the hands of the WorldSkills students. It's a real good opportunity for us to show these products, and also in terms of sustainability, it's important the students are seeing exactly how to maximise products so that we're not putting products into land waste and landfill. It's very important for efficiency and cycle time reduction.
Yes, Proalign have been involved with the WorldSkills Show and the Skills Show for about 5 years now. We sponsor the Autotech section with our Hunter wheel alignment equipment. Last year we introduced the Hunter truck alignment section, and this year we've got a brand new task, which is the road force balance and force matching.
Yeah, as a manufacturer, we see it important to give something back to the younger generation. So to be involved with the likes of the IMI and stuff like that gives us a bit more credibility and passing something on to the younger generation to progress through to the industry.
There's a 3M award being given out today for using the least amount of consumables. So moving forward, it's very important that we don't fill the landfill, that we don't use excessive amounts of consumables and products, abrasives, polishes, etc. So there's an award today where we are giving an award out for whoever uses the least amount of consumables, but also provides a good job.
Proalign have been instrumentally in trying to drive forward standards of young technicians and technicians in general, and to expand their knowledge on the new innovations and technology that this new modern equipment can bring, not only to them and their own skills, but also a skill set to their future workshop environment.
You know, we never had anything like this when I was an apprentice, and I think to bring people here to make that awareness, to show the skills and get away, especially in the automotive industry, because there's a stigma about we're grease monkeys, but the highly qualified engineers in the day, they're working on some of the complex vehicles, braking systems, what are safety critical, so it's a brilliant setup.
There were some nerves when the event first started, but I saw that these guys are quite confident and quickly overcame that. So in the end, some of the work that these guys are producing is absolutely fantastic.